Namaste students, this is JVN Priyesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today's I am here with new topic, that is rubber. I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed JBC 5th semester. Students, as you all know, we are discussing nowadays economic botany. In this economic botany, we have seen some of the economically important plants such as cereals, pulses, vegetable oils, beverages, and timbers. Today's turn is of rubber yielding plants, that is rubber. Okay, what is the rubber? How this isolate from plants? What are those plants which produce rubber? Which family they belongs? All those aspects we will see. So students, let's start with introduction. What is rubber? Okay, rubber is a sticky, elastic, solid product of milky latex, that is milky liquid, that is latex. In biology, there is a term latex which used for liquid material produced from plants. So rubber is also a kind of latex. Okay, this can be classified as natural or synthetic rubber. Okay, since we are botany students, so in our account only natural rubber is there. So we will focus on natural rubber. What is natural rubber? An elastomer, an elastic hydrocarbon polymer that was originally derived from latex. From chemical point of view, it is hydrocarbon. The plants would be tabbed, that is an incision made into the bark of the tree, and the sticky milk colored latex sap collected and refined into usable rubber. Actually, they are isolated from the stem of the plants in bark used to make an incision from which latex will come out in the form of excretory material. Okay, now this rubber is processed, purified, refined in the form of purified form of rubber for the commercial uses. It is normally scratchy, flexible, and extremely waterproof. These are the property of natural rubber. Now varieties of natural rubber. These are some of the varieties such as para rubber tree, Gutta percha, rubber fig, Panama rubber tree, common dandelion, Hevia braziliensis. Out of these strains, para rubber, that is Hevia braziliensis, are most important rubber yielding plants. Now properties, what are the properties of natural rubber? They have elasticity, tensile strength, flexibility, solubility, and abrasion resistance, that is friction. Advantages of natural rubber: they have a milk content and antibacterial substances, that's natural dust mite repellent. They can remove mites. Natural rubber manufactured from this unique substance also breathes perfectly and is not temperature sensitive. As a result, it never feels moist or warm to touch. Okay. Superior air circulation creates an environment with naturally prevents molds and mildews growth. They have antifungal property. which kills molds and mildews growth. Okay, next. So these are some of the